In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 .NET Framework error. If you've been trying to run an app and keep seeing a message about the .NET Framework not being installed or enabled, this walkthrough will help you get things working again quickly and safely using built-in Windows settings. First, we're going to open the classic Control Panel. Even though Windows 11 emphasizes the Settings app, the Control Panel still contains the Windows Features menu we need. The easiest way to get there is to open your Start menu and search for Control Panel. When you see it, open it. If your view is set to category, that's perfect. If you see large or small icons, don't worry, you can still follow along. Once Control Panel is open, click Programs. This section gathers tools related to apps and components installed on your PC. If you're in the Icons view, you'll find the same area under Programs and Features. The reason we're here is to access an option called Windows Features, which lets you turn certain Windows components on or off without downloading third-party tools. Inside Programs, look for Turn Windows Features on or off and select it. This opens a small window with a list of optional Windows components. It may take a moment to populate. What we're interested in is the .NET Framework entries. You'll typically see .NET Framework 3.5, which also covers 2.0 and 3.0, and .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services. Many older apps need 3.5, while newer apps rely on 4.x. Enable .NET Framework if it's not already enabled. You'll know it's enabled when the checkbox is filled. If you see an empty box next to .NET Framework 3.5 or .NET Framework 4.8, Advanced Services, click to select it. Windows may briefly search for required files and add the components. This process can require an internet connection and administrator permission, so make sure you're connected and allow the change to complete. If a sub-feature box appears, leaving the defaults is usually best unless your app's documentation specifies otherwise. If the boxes are already checked, that means .NET Framework is active on your system. In that case, your error may have been a one-off. After confirming it's enabled, try launching your app again. That's all there is to it. By enabling the .NET Framework through Windows Features, you're restoring the runtime support many apps need to function. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you resolve the .NET Framework error on Windows 11.